Welcome back to TechMirror, where we usually dive deep into the latest smart gadgets, silicon chips, and tech innovations, but today we are looking at a completely different kind of premium engineering. Specifically, we are exploring the biological perfection and meticulous extraction science found in the Atlas 1-liter cold-press extra virgin olive oil. You might be wondering why a channel focused on technology and modern living is taking the time to review an olive oil. The truth is, when you look closely at the precise extraction methods, the absolute purity of the process, and the chemical-physical qualities of this polyphenol-rich superfood, it becomes clear that this is essentially high-performance fuel for the human machine. This newly harvested, totally unprocessed organic extra virgin olive oil comes directly from one single-family farm in Morocco, and it promises to elevate your daily culinary experience to the exacting standards of award-winning chefs. Stick around as we break down exactly what makes this specific bottle of liquid gold a fascinating intersection of nature, health science, and culinary excellence. The compelling story of this exceptional oil begins high up in the rare, pristine climate of the Atlas Mountains of Morocco. This specific region is a geographical marvel that provides the ultimate, undisturbed environment for growing what many consider to be the most perfect olives in the world. The high-reaching altitude, combined with the unique arid weather patterns and mineral-rich soil, creates a rare agricultural sweet spot. This allows the olives to develop incredibly rich, complex flavor profiles naturally without the need for artificial intervention. The brand, Atlas Olive Oils, takes incredible pride in this unique terroir, ensuring that their production is not only ethically produced, but also completely sustainably sourced from start to finish. By relying exclusively on one single-family farm rather than a massive corporate conglomerate, they are able to maintain absolute, unwavering quality control. From the moment the olive leaves the branch to the second the oil is sealed in the bottle, they ensure you are getting an unadulterated, authentic taste of the Moroccan highlands in every single pour. What truly sets this specific extra virgin olive oil apart from the mass-produced, heavily processed bottles lining standard supermarket shelves is the rigorous, scientifically sound, single-pressing cold-press technique used during extraction. In the world of premium oils, excess heat is the absolute enemy of both flavor and nutrition. By keeping the entire milling process completely cold and limiting the extraction to just one single pressing, the producers guarantee that the maximum amount of health benefits are perfectly preserved. This strict method yields a remarkably high concentration of polyphenols, which are powerful, naturally occurring antioxidants known to protect the body's tissues against oxidative stress and inflammation. This transforms a simple pantry staple into a legitimate daily health supplement that supports cardiovascular wellness and overall longevity. Because this oil is entirely unprocessed and strictly 100% organic, it remains completely free from any added chemicals, harsh solvents, or destructive ingredients, making it unequivocally safe and pure for you and your entire family to consume daily. Moving on to the actual sensory and culinary experience, the aroma and flavor profile of this Atlas extra virgin olive oil are nothing short of a masterpiece, completely redefining what you might expect from a daily cooking fat. The exact moment you uncap the premium 1-liter bottle, you are immediately greeted with a delicately complex aroma that beautifully intertwines earthy notes of fresh almonds and vibrant culinary herbs. As you let it breathe, you will even detect surprisingly sweet, nuanced hints of bananas, bright lemons, and fresh basil. This intricate, multi-layered bouquet transitions seamlessly onto the palate, offering a sophisticated taste and a smooth delicacy that can dramatically enhance absolutely any dish it touches. Whether you are heavily drizzling it over a fresh summer salad, using it as a foundational base for your general daily cooking, or even experimenting with delicate baking and sweet desserts, the perfectly balanced yet vibrant flavor profile shines brilliantly through, elevating the meal without ever overpowering the core ingredients on your plate. Considering this incredible balance of flavor and purity, it is absolutely no surprise that this specific Moroccan organic extra virgin olive oil has become the highly guarded secret weapon for so many rigorous and famous catering professionals around the globe. Exclusive award-winning restaurants, high-end luxury hotels, high representative institutions, and prestigious gourmet stores have specifically chosen this exact olive oil to create breathtaking dishes intended for an exclusive, refined, and highly demanding public. The perfect, harmonious combination of its organoleptic characteristics, its impressive chemical-physical qualities, and the brand's deep commitment to agricultural sustainability allows it to consistently meet the impossibly high standards of top-tier chefs. When you choose to use this oil in your own home kitchen, you are quite literally cooking with the exact same premium, professional-grade ingredients trusted by the absolute elite of the culinary world, bringing a touch of fine dining to your everyday meals. Bringing us to my final thoughts on the Atlas Cold Press Extra Virgin Olive Oil, it is undeniably a premium, top-tier product that entirely justifies its place in any modern, health-conscious, or gourmet kitchen. While it certainly represents a noticeable step up from your standard, everyday grocery store olive oil, the unmatched purity, the incredibly high polyphenol content, and the delightfully complex flavor profile make it a highly worthwhile investment for both your physical health and your culinary palate. It effortlessly bridges the gap between a vital nutritional powerhouse and a luxurious gourmet ingredient, proving that the highest quality consistently comes from deeply respecting the natural, unprocessed agricultural cycle. If you truly want to experience the authentic, unadulterated taste and the massive health benefits of the Moroccan Atlas Mountains, this 1-liter bottle is an absolute must-try that will permanently change the way you view olive oil.